A very strong and shallow earthquake with a magnitude of 7.3 hit Flores Sea. The epicenter was located about 112 kilometers north of the town of Maumere. In this city, panic was triggered due to the announcement of a tsunami warning. Residents in East Flores district felt the earthquake strongly. People were fleeing from the buildings that were shaken from the impact. Hundreds of buildings, including houses, schools and places of airships, were damaged in the Yasharala Islands. After an initial tsunami alert, Indonesia's meteorological agency lifted the warning hours after the quake. Minor tsunami of 7 centimeters were detected in Marapakot and Rea areas.
Air naik. Gas, semua bangun lari nih.
The head of the district said that there were no strong injuries.
Dia surut baru mau banting naik nih.
The shocks were felt in 14 districts and cities across the provinces of East Nusa Tenggara, South Sulawesi and Southeast Sulawesi. The shocks were also felt in Makassar City and the Yasharala Islands area.